If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Come. Come, let's go. You're gonna wait for Ate or you're gonna come with me? Come, let's go.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like you're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me.
Peanut! It's it! And then, where's the coffee? Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna have to do an unboxing of my perfume that I bought, but for the meantime we're gonna have to have breakfast, and I have some also a dessert that I'm adding it to this. Wait. I almost burned the langonis. Anyway, I like it burnt like this. Looks yummy. Yummy. Okay, let's go eat. This is creme brulee. It's kind of like a leche plan, but we're gonna use a torch.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to unbox this box. Let's see what's inside. Yes. today. I had a hard time getting it because it was on different post office. I have to check 2 post office to just pick this up. Anyway, let's get started and let's see what's inside this box. I'll have to get to see it. Ooh, what's in here? Box. Box again. Another box. I've been wanting to get this one. And look at this. The box is this box. Take a picture of this.
Oh.
Okay. I have a box. Over box. Very nice box.
Anong box? Chanel?
This is a Chanel box. Let's see what's inside Chanel. Chanel logo. Ooh, it comes with a dust bag. Hee. And it comes with a sample. Wow. What? It smells good. Wow. Amazing. Got a dust bag. There you go. Let's open this. Ta-da! Look, take a picture of these. The Chanel perfume. This is my favorite scent, and it's called Eau Tendre. It's Eau de Perfume.
It's Francais.
Francais. I got the big one. This is how many ml? 150. That's the biggest size.
Entendre.
Entendre.
That's the one.
And it's a spray. These cost me $200, almost $300. Oh, almost $400. I thought I got 3 free stuffs. Where is it? Wow, the packaging is good, huh? There's a lot of stuff inside. I feel like I don't want to use this. I don't want to take it out of the box because look at the box, the way they look at this box. Is so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Okay, show the product up close.
Let's go. Let's open this product.
Hey, show the product. Come on, show.
This is the product. Chanel perfume. I've been wanting to get this. I have another one. And my husband gave it to me for Christmas. So this is the third one I got. It's a very sweet scent. It's like flowery. And it is amazing. Look, let's put this away. Okay, let's try and spray it. Smells so good. You know what? This perfume stays all day. Everybody can smell me when I'm wearing this. Everybody was like, "Oh, you have that perfume? What is that? What are you wearing?" Anyway, it's a Chanel perfume. It's amazing. Look at the bottle. It's fancy. It's expensive. 200.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna
Same as Chanel is a fancy looking. It's very elegant smell. It's a luxury items. One of the luxury perfume. Very good. And it's very sweet smell. $256 plus tax. It's like $300 for this perfume. So cute. Elegant. Wow, it's amazing. It's like a water, but it's so good. It smells yummy. Chance perfume as well. These two are the same. This is the smallest size, and then that's the biggest one. This is 50 ml. I just tried first and I like the scent, so I decided to get the big one. Now this one my husband gave it to me, and this is Eau de Toilette. It's kind of like lemon color, and I have a sample. Oh, where's the sample? Maybe it's inside there. And this one is the Traveler. So Travello, that means I just take portion of it so I can use this for on the go. Take a portion of the perfume and put it in here. Look, you just have to go like this and you can spray this. Well, there's nothing in it yet. Right. So, take a picture of this, please. It's called Travello. Alright, let's see what's inside this envelope. This envelope comes in, this is the return form. Just in case. This is the return form, just as in case I don't like it. And they gave it to me.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.